Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix startup sound in Windows 10. Type sound in Windows search bar. Click sound. Click sound tab. Check play Windows startup sound. Click apply, OK. Second step is type control panel in Windows search bar. Click control panel. Click power option. Click choose what the power button does. Click change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast startup. Click save changes and exit. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.